On the way, we find the highest railway station, that is Pattipula. With an elevation of 1897 meters high above mean sea level. The highest point on the railway line is also found here. It's really an incredible experience to travel by train from Nanuai to Ohio, enjoying the natural beauty, although it's the most difficult train ride. Now we are going back to Nuwara Eliya, covering the entire area. You can enjoy the picturesque scenes through the mountain ranges around Nuwara Eliya. When you are passing the small forests on your way, you can see very old trees and shrubs. In legends, Sita was captured by King Ravana and kept in a place where no one could reach. And as a vow of chastity, the swearing was done at the place called Divurumpula. Swearing is defined in Sinhala as Divuruma. Is a temperate hill country garden. This botanical garden was established in 1861. In the beginning, it was built as an experimental cultivation of cinchona, and they found tea cultivation is more suitable and finally transformed in 1884 into the gardens we are now. There are a number of orchids, rose species, and huge number of other species of flora. The intimidating Haggala Rock provides an awe-inspiring backdrops to the garden rising 450 meters over it. The average annual temperature is 19 degrees Celsius and the elevation is 1645 meters above sea level. Sri Sitayamman temple is dedicated to Princess Sita at the place where Princess Sita spent her days in the prison of Ravana approximately 5000 years ago. It is also unique in a way that it is one of the very few temples dedicated to Sita. The stream that runs close to this spot is believed to be the place where Sita bathed, and the rock beside it is supposed to be the place where she sat praying.